Well, the Innocence Project of Texas is a nonprofit that works to exonerate people who have been wrongfully convicted.
Since 2006, it has helped free 35 people, and the group tells KPRC2 News 3 more will be soon added to that list. KPRC2 anchor Sophia Ojeda spoke with their executive director, who says their work relies heavily on crucial evidence needed to prove innocence. Anywhere from items with DNA evidence, blood, nail clippings, items with fingerprints as well, all extremely important.
It's absolutely essential, and oftentimes that's the biggest challenge in seeking to exonerate an innocent person, is finding the evidence that was originally collected as part of the crime scene, for example.
Ware says there are Texas laws in place that require the preservation of evidence that contain biological material for at least 40 years for the most violent crimes of murder and assault. However, he says investigators often do not comply with the law.
If the evidence is not there, or we can't find it, or it's been destroyed, then obviously it cannot be tested in such a way that would be dispositive as to whether our client is guilty or innocent. And so the status quo would maintain. You know, they would remain incarcerated because the evidence couldn't be found and therefore couldn't be tested.
Well, when the Innocence Project heard about the Missouri City Police Department discarding evidence because of a water leak there, the Fort Bend County DA learning about it months later, Ware says that decision should not have been made without taking other measures first.
We don't know a lot of the details yet, but it seems like at a minimum, it's very possible that a unilateral decision was made by members of the police department that they shouldn't have made, that they shouldn't have made without consulting with the district attorney's office, that they shouldn't have made without perhaps first seeking a court order, that they shouldn't have made without notifying all the interested parties, including the defendants, the defense lawyers, that this was their intent. The fact that it was kind of appears to have been done in, under the cover of darkness, if you will, is raises a whole lot of questions as to what the intent actually was. If it was just negligent or an unavoidable accident, certainly everybody should have been notified before the decision was made to actually destroy this evidence.
Now, we do know about 100 cases were affected in Missouri City. Some of them were felony cases. The Fort Bend County DA telling KPRC2 they have discovered a couple of pending cases impacted by this. Yeah,
no comment from the Missouri City Police Department, but the DA says the department is cooperating with the investigation. If you believe you or your family member's case has been affected by this discarding of evidence, or you have been contacted and no evidence in your case has been thrown out, please let us know. Message us on the Click to Houston help desk, help.click2houston.com.